Beyond words. Unlocking the power of heartfelt reconciliation. Matthew 5:23-36 presents Jesus' words. Therefore, if you are offering your gift at the altar and there remembered that your brother or sister has something against you, leave your gift there in front of the altar. First go and be reconciled to them. Then come and offer your gift. Let's delve into these profound verses with a mix of thought-provoking, lighthearted, and straightforward insights. Have you ever experienced the weight of unresolved conflicts lingering in your heart? It's like carrying around a heavy burden that hinders your connection with God and others. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle of discord and experience true reconciliation? Imagine if we viewed reconciliation not as a daunting task, but as a sacred opportunity to restore broken relationships and heal wounded hearts. What if our willingness to seek reconciliation became a powerful testament to the transformative power of God's love? Here's a lighthearted analogy. Picture reconciliation as a bridge spanning the gap between two estranged parties. Each step towards reconciliation lays down another plank, strengthening the connection and restoring harmony. Now, let's get straightforward. Are there unresolved conflicts in your life that are hindering your spiritual growth and intimacy with God? Are you willing to set aside your pride and ego in pursuit of reconciliation, even if it means admitting fault or extending forgiveness? Jesus' words remind us of the urgency of reconciliation, urging us to prioritize healing relationships over religious rituals. But how do we begin the journey towards reconciliation? It starts with humility, empathy, and a willingness to extend grace and forgiveness, just as God has done for us. Are you ready to experience the transformative power of God? Hit that subscribe button and join our community as we explore the beauty of reconciliation. Together, let's unlock the freedom and healing that come from the transformative power of Jesus.